Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for Amazon Flex Driver. So becoming an Amazon Flex Driver in 2025 offer a flexible opportunity to earn income by delivering package on your own schedule. And here is a comprehensive guide to help you through the application process. And the first thing you have to do is to ensure you meet the eligibility requirement. So after that, before applying, confirm that you are satisfied with the following criteria, which is your age. Then for that, you must be at least 21 years old before you can apply for that. Then also, you must post a valid US driver's license, and at the same time, your vehicle, you must own a mid-size or a large vehicle such as a four-door sedan or SUV van or a truck with a covered bed, and also a smartphone. Have an iPhone or Android smartphone to run the Amazon Flex app, the budget guide, and that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to apply for Amazon Flex Driver. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button for more. Thank you.